My game is called Stay Alive Ball. It's my first game. It's my first game.
Speak into the microphone.
Yeah, sure. Of course. Anyway, so in the game we have the hero is a ball, and the enemies are also balls. But the hero is a blue ball. The enemies are the red balls, and you have two power-ups. One is on the when you press on the yellow button, that it turns the enemies to enemies that can be killed, and if you press the green button, then it turns the enemies that can be pushed away. So I will play now. Put the microphone down for a little. So yeah, now I kill them. I have a counter. And now I lost. Of course, anyway, it's not very sophisticated yet. But so the initial idea was to have the enemies coming toward the hero all the time by a magnetic field. But there was a bug on Apple, so I couldn't do that on iOS. Okay,